Hey there, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add custom events to your Facebook pixel using the Pixelavo plugin. But before we begin, do you know what custom events are and how they work? Well, creating custom events for a Facebook pixel is crucial because it will allow you to track unique user interactions on your website that are not covered by the standard events of Facebook. Furthermore, these events will give you more control over the data Facebook collects from your website, which can help you optimize your ad targeting and measure the performance of your website. Cool, right? First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard and click Custom Events located under the Pixelavo menu. Now to add a custom event, click this button right here. After you click the button, an intuitive pop-up will appear where you can configure some essential settings for the event. For example, you can set a name for your event so you can recognize it later. Then you can select when to trigger the event. You can even choose the specific page where you want to trigger this event. Pixelavo also enables you to add custom parameters for efficient event tracking. Once you've configured the primary settings for your custom event, make sure to save them. Let's check the front end of our website to see how a custom event works. Now, if we visit a page from our website, we'll notice that the custom event has already been registered with all the custom parameters we've set. If you want to create another custom event with a different trigger, simply just click Add New Event. Let's say you want to trigger a custom event after a visitor clicks on a particular element. To do so, first of all, you need to set a name for the event. Then in the trigger option, choose Click on Element. Next, insert the CSS selector of the targeted element. The selector could be an ID or a class of that specific element. Let me show you how you can determine a class or an ID of an element. Suppose you want to trigger the event once your visitors click on this button right here. All you have to do is inspect the element and copy a class or an ID of that element. Once you are done copying, paste it in the Target CSS selector field. If you paste an ID selector over here, make sure to add a hash symbol before the selector, and for a class selector, add a dot symbol. Now to get more detailed insights into how people interacting with your website, you can also add custom parameters over here. Once you're done, save the settings. Before we check whether it's working or not, let's head back to our website and give it a reload. Now, if you click this button, you'll see the newly created event where all the custom parameters have been successfully sent to Facebook. Congratulations! From now on, you know exactly how to trigger a custom event upon visiting a page and clicking on an element. But what if you need to trigger an event upon hovering over an element? Let's create another custom event by the name Button Hover, where the trigger is Hover on Element. Next up, we are going to choose a CSS selector of the targeted element. Let's go back to our website and inspect this button element. After copying a CSS selector of the element, paste it over here. In case you need to monitor more specific actions, you can always define additional parameters according to your needs. Once you are done adding the parameters, be sure to save the settings. Now let's go ahead and see the custom event in action. First of all, we'll go back to our website and refresh it again. If we hover over the element whose class we've set as the target CSS selector, we'll notice that the custom event button hover is working perfectly fine. Sometimes you may need to track visitors who have clicked on a particular link or URL on your website. Let me show you how to do that. First, you'll need to create a custom event and give it a name. Now for the trigger option, select URL click. Next up, the plugin will opt you to insert a target URL that will trigger the event on click. For example, we are gonna insert the dashboard URL over here. You can also add custom parameters if you want. Once you are done, save the settings. Now let's take a look at our website and click on this URL. As you can see, the event is working without any sort of issues. So there you have it. That's how you can add custom events to your Facebook pixel using the Pixelavo plugin. If you want to monitor specific user behaviors and get more precise analytics for targeted ad campaigns on Facebook, consider giving this plugin a try. And as always, if you have any queries regarding this plugin, please leave us a comment below, or you can directly contact us through our website. So that's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.